It's a lead single off of this soundtrack called this movie. I cannot talk right now because I'm just laughing. I don't know. When I was coming up on the lift, one of the crew guys stuck this guy on the sofa, and I thought it was funny that you guys screamed a lot. And so, anyway, that's a song that is from the soundtrack of a movie called Hunger Games. There it is. I'm having fun with you guys tonight. I think you guys are cool to hang out with. This is one of my favorite guitars to play. It's got twice as many strings as a normal guitar, therefore it has 12 strings. And so I like it. It kind of sounds like a harpsichord. So there's that. And I don't know, for me, I think about life a lot, probably too much actually, but lately I've been thinking about how fast we change, like the phases we go through. Like I'll go through a hat phase, or like a curly hair phase, and a different phase, and but I think there are so many personal phases that we go through too, just how we feel and what we believe and how we feel about ourselves and the world, and it's just a rabbit hole. But considering how fast we change, I kind of find comfort in knowing that we're never the same person for too long, and we're always learning and growing, because that way making mistakes doesn't seem so scary. Like making mistakes could be an incredibly good thing, because it'll teach you something, and hopefully you won't make the same mistake again. And one mistake that I've made in the past is thinking I knew everything. I now know that I don't. And I think I'm going to know that for the rest of my life, because we never know as much as we're going to know someday. But you know, there was a time when I really thought I had it all figured out. And I think that was about when I was 15 years old. Take a deep breath and walk through the doors. It's the morning of the very first day. Say hi to your friends who you've seen in a while. Try to stay out of everybody's way. It's your freshman year and you're gonna be here for the next 4 years in this town. Senior boys will wink at you and say, you know, I haven't seen